track, man? What do you think?
It's looking pretty good. Dirt's solid. There's some pretty cool sand sections, so yeah, excited to get it on.
I like it. I like the looks of it. Looks like it's gonna be fun. Looks like a true SMX. Looks a little bit mellower than a full-blown Supercross, and we got some cool stuff going into the convention center there, so it's gonna be fun. It just, anything new like this is fun, so looking forward to getting the day started.
I ain't complaining that we didn't race weekend when I just won that one, so no complaints from here.
That one was sick. Yeah, like we said, I ain't complaining. This was pretty much what I expected that we were gonna do. Go 1 and 2. It's pretty much how it is at training, so I'm not surprised.
Yeah, we're out here at St. Louis, round 2 of SMX. Should be a good day. I'm excited. The track's looks like it's going to shape up well.
It's a cool venue, cool track. It's really fun, and it's more like Supercross this weekend, so a little different. And yeah, feeling really good on the track, comfy, and yeah, got to get off to some good starts. Everyone's really close tonight, so practice is done. Time to go racing.
Yeah, St. Louis, second round of SMX. Yeah, so far so good. We're getting better each qualifying practice, kind of tweaking on the bike, making it better each and every session. So last one was good for me, had a good flow, and yeah, just trying to be closer to the front. So best I qualified so far, and we'll keep progressing. It's you know, it's tough coming back from injury, but we're doing our best to be in the mix. So see what the racing brings.
It was good. What I end up like 5th or something, so it'll be an acceptable gate pick. Tried some different things in both practices. Really, it was a tire change and then a little bit of a fork change, so feeling stuff out. I think I know what's going to work. Let's see what happens.
Are you excited to be more in a Supercross setting again?
Yeah, I'm good with either one. Like, I was really comfortable last week in Charlotte with it being more high speed, and then I've got a good Supercross setting. So this is more Supercross based. We're running our full Supercross bike, so see what we can bring tonight.
Yeah, it was good. Solid qualifying, P1, so we're stoked on that. It's always nice. Get a good gate pick, and the goal is to get a good start, so hopefully we can rip a good start and then have 2 good races. Yeah, it's tricky. It's definitely different, so we got to figure it out. And I mean, I don't not like it. It's just whatever. So we'll figure it out though.
Decent, yeah, doing all right. Made it through the LCQ, so that's a good start. We're into the main races. It's always a little different doing it that way around. But no, overall progress from last week. Still, yeah, every lap, every time I'm out there, I feel like I'm getting better. So just getting back to it. You know, it's been a minute. Last week was definitely a little different. This is more like my body feels pretty good, leg feels pretty good out there. No issues. So we're all right now. Just sharpen up and get ready to go for these 2 motos.
Is it a little stressful having to go through those races?
I mean, honestly, now there was 9 guys that qualified and there was only 11 guys out there. So it's on. actually think, in a weird way, it's helping me because I've missed so long of racing. Like, doing another race, the more laps I get, another gate drop is probably better for me. The gate pick isn't ideal, but at the end of the day, I didn't come into this, you know, thinking, oh my god, I'm firing on all cylinders. I came in with 3 weeks worth of good prep where I wasn't really in pain. So yeah, it's definitely a building process, but I think every time I'm out on track, I'm getting better, so we'll be alright.
St. Louis, man, how's it treating you? Are you excited to be back in the Supercross setting?
Well, no whoops, dude. Where are the whoops at?
You like the whoops?
Yeah, whoops is good, but no, track's good. Yeah, excited for tonight. Should be good.
Good, yeah, I went first in qualifying 2 and then just won the wild card race, so I'm happy with that. You know, puts me in a good position as best I can be for the main event, so we're gonna go out there and give her my all. You know, we'll do what we can off the start and then just dig in, baby. So yeah, I'm excited. We're here, St. Louis, and let's go.
Yeah, it's pretty good so far. Yeah, just ready to go racing tonight and see where we stack up. But it's going to be a lot start dependent, so yeah, we got to get off the gate good.
Yeah, the track's really cool. I'm having a lot of fun. Obviously, yesterday was a really good night. Looking to back it up today.
How was your moto yesterday, and then how's it treating you today?
Moto yesterday wasn't great. Got cleaned out like 3rd turn, but it is what it is. Learn from my mistakes, and today qualifying is much better. P2. Track's pretty good, hard packed in some spots, really like ruts around all the corners, so it's good. Just trying to be consistent tonight and get a good start.
Are you excited to be back in the Supercross setting?
Oh yeah, I love Supercross.
We're feeling good. We're sitting P4 going into the main, and I'm excited. I'm sitting in 2nd going into the championship, so we're looking forward to getting a good start and just trying to win. Last round was definitely more motocross for sure. This round's a lot of Supercross, which I think I like better, and it's also indoor and it's nice in the AC and stuff, so I like it.
Started off pretty rough, but made some big bike changes for that last practice and felt a lot more comfortable, so I'm feeling pretty good headed into the mains. Just need to get off to a good start and mix it up with the guys.
Yeah, struggling a bit per usual in qualifying, but track's fun. We're gonna turn it around for the races, get a good start, and yeah, have a good finish. Yeah, I like the Supercross environment a little bit more. It's a little bit more chill, not as hot. I don't know. It's just Supercross is fun, and doing some jumps and everything like that is cool. So yeah, it's been fun.
This is it, folks. Moto 1 on the gate. 30-second board, about to go sideways. And with it, the revs are up. Gates down. And Deegan able to secure the progressive whole shot.
Yeah, we talk about these guys, Jet and Haiden, and what is the difference? They perform in the times where it matters the most. We talked about how starts are so important, James, and look who's out front.
Yeah, you know, at this point, you just got to get it done, because right now, Haiden Deegan's getting it done out front almost 8 seconds.
And looking to win them all early in 2025 as well. Haiden Deegan wins Moto 1, St. Louis Playoff 2. And this start might be the most critical one we have seen all year long. Who grabbed that progressive whole shot? Here we go!
Good to see the 94 and Eli Tomac right behind. It's going to be a great race.
Yeah, especially with Tomac doing well.
Right.
And he's a contender.
Eli, throw out them boots, man. Make that bike really wide. Keep that number 1 behind you.
These guys are so polished. They have so much experience. Rarely do they make a mistake this late in the game.
Right down to the last turn it goes. Jet with a charge. It'll be Roxon, Tomac, Jet Lawrence across the line. They're learning and they're also racing. Here we go. Oh, and a big collision. Several riders down and down hard, and that includes the 260. That was the rider's second yesterday, Wood. Rider Malinowski, who was down early, yesterday's in the lead. Malinowski on the Muck-Off Club MX Yamaha Minear's 5th behind Landon Hartz. As for Malinowski, again, this is not overall. This is an individual event win that he'll get if he can hold on to the last lap. But a race win on this stage is a big deal. Oh, Johnson gonna try to crease this outside. The cutback from Minear.
Oh no, he dives to the inside. Great pass. Set him up in that corner before the triple.
Checkered flag in sight, and Ryder Malinowski wins in St. Louis. And there is Kayden Minear, who will take second, and with it, the SMX World All-Stars Championship.
Good. Number one, it was a really good day today. Felt really good all day, and yeah, I'm stoked to come away with the championship.
What's next for you?
Hopefully pro next year, who knows? We'll wait and see.
That was awesome, man. That was one of the best races I've ever done by far, and I knew I had it in me. It just took a long time, and I'm just so happy I got it. And, yeah.
Ropes are up. Gates down. Deegan gonna get squeezed off.
Haiden Deegan's gonna try to slide up. Look at how many moves Haiden Deegan is making in the first 2 corners. He goes up the inside in turn 2, all the way the inside in the sand.
It's the number 1 there on the blue bike. Going from out. Oh, and he gets slammed.
Wow.
That was the 47 of Levi catching an aggressive move, and they're both down. And you know Deegan is not happy about it. Unbelievable what a shakeup this could be in the championship, a double points night. Deegan is in 20th place, and Joe Shimoda, second in points, is running second, and he would be the overall winner if it ends like this. RC, what are we looking at?
Well, you can see right there, that's the front brake that we were talking about that Haiden doesn't have. I can't see anything to where he would have any usage.
Hammaker really needs to hold off Thrasher, who's been riding well on that 41 all day.
Man, what an opportunity is for all of these guys. Hammaker, Thrasher, Shimoda.
Deegan coming to the line. He will not be able to get to that 13th spot. Deegan without a break. Taken out early. Loses the championship lead. This is it. The heart rates come up. As to the nerves and the revs of the engine. They're running and the gate's down.
Eli, he knows he wants to get up there with that number 1, how strong Jet is.
Eli was running really strong last week until he went down, so I think that Eli has good speed to get the job done for sure.
Tomac, 2-time Supercross champion, 5-time Pro Motocross champion, is giving Chip Lawrence all he can handle. Checkered flag in sight. Oh, Hunter going after Tomac. Good racing, really good racing. So Moto 1, kind of just hung out in third, you know, and it got really tight at the end there, but it was able to hang on. Felt pretty happy with my riding, and then actually Moto 2 came around. I made a good move on the second straightaway, or second turn, got the inside, made a couple passes, got into second fairly fast, and was close to Jet early on. And then he snuck away a little bit in the middle of the race. And then towards the end, it got close again. I was getting a good jump line into the sand, so I got close, pretty close, but not close enough. But overall, my riding was better, and you know, we're still in the mix for this thing in Vegas. You never know what happens.
Yeah, it was good. I think that last time I didn't ride my best, but happy with it. Third, can't complain. We're just keeping building. I feel like the speed's really been good in this whole SMX and even the last couple rounds outdoors. So, yeah, I'm just still building, but yeah, I think we still got a little more in the tank. So I'm going to go back to work this week and maybe make a couple adjustments and go to Vegas. It's going to be pretty hot, so hopefully the endurance plays a little more factor. Tonight was pretty chill, and it was just a pretty heart rate battle out there, I feel like. So maybe Vegas will be more of the strength coming into effect.